Hi friends! Welcome back, Mostly Cougars. We are here again with a new story. We've been talking about friendships, right? About being a good friend, making new friends. And today we're going to learn some more things about what it takes to be a good friend. And our story today is My Friend Maggie by Hannah E. Harrison. Maggie and me. My friend Maggie. This is my friend Maggie. Oh, look at that. Here's Maggie. Oh, and this is me, Paula. We've been friends forever. She's great at splashing in the mud puddles. Ooh, look at that. It looks like fun, right? She helps me reach the reddest apples. She even lifts me up when I can't see. Oh, look at them. They look like great friends, right? Maggie's the best. What do you think is going to happen? Ooh, it's going to splash all over, right? Only Veronica doesn't think so. Oh, can you see the girls? They're talking. Veronica thinks Maggie's too big. And now that she mentioned it, is she really too big? Maggie is kind of clumsy. Oh, look. Oh, she's trying to get that coin on the floor. Oh, maybe she's a little clumsy. She stinks at hide and seek. Oh, what do you think? A good hiding spot? Maybe not. And her clothes are a little snuggish. Is that really bad reasons to hang out with her? Or reasons not to hang out with her, I should say? I know I should stick up for Maggie. Oh, Paula's thinking. Do you think she's going to be a good friend and stick up for Maggie? Let's see. What? But I play with Veronica instead. And I pretend I don't see Maggie. Oh, how do you think she's feeling? Can you see her reaction? Even though she's impossible to miss. Can you see Maggie? How do you think she's feeling? Does she look green? Or maybe a little blue? See, even Paula is making faces. Oh. But then Veronica decides that my teeth stick too far and starts calling me Bucky. That doesn't sound very nice. And do you know who comes charging in to stand up for me? Oh, look at her. Look at Paula. She is feeling a little left out now, right? What is Veronica doing? Talking, right? not very kind things. Who's gonna come? Is anyone gonna come and help Paula? Maggie! Can you believe it? She's not having it. Yep, this is my friend Maggie. Did I mention she's the best? It looks like Paula is having some thoughts, right? Maybe now it's time to apologize? Do you think she needs to apologize? Do you think Paula was a good friend? How about Maggie? Was Maggie a good friend? I'll be her friend forever. You know, a lot of times we're very different than our friends, right? We don't look the same. Sometimes we even like to do different things. We have favorite colors that are different, favorite snacks that are different, favorite sports that are different. But you know, good friends, they stick up for each other. They don't let others put us down. Good friends don't let our physical appearance, that's how we look in the outside, they don't let that get in the way of being a good friend. Now think about, what do you think Maggie did that made her such a good friend? How about Paula? Do you think she learned a lesson? I would love to hear from you guys. Hear what you think about my friend Maggie. Have a great day, guys. See you soon.